Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now, if you are new to the channel, my name is Nolan, and in today's video I have got my Traxxas Slash 4x4 out with me. Now, I'm traveling for work. I'm in southern Missouri. I'm at a place called Two Rivers Mountain Bike Park. I've been here a couple times before, but I don't think I've been here in probably 4 or 5 months. It is now December, guys, but I'm wearing short sleeves. It is like 75 degrees out. It is a perfect day in December. So I thought, since I was already down here for work and I had this in the car, I have to stop with the Traxxas Slash. I already did a video with the Traxxas Max. If you want to see the Traxxas Max taking on the mountain bike park, I'll go ahead and put a card in the corner of this video. But now it's the Traxxas Slash 4x4's turn. Now this one's running the stock VXL 3SESC, but it's got a Surpass hobby motor. I think it's a 3665, I believe. And yeah, we're just gonna bash her around, take her off these wooden berms. Probably, if she doesn't break before we can, I want to try to hit that big one right there. And yeah, let's just have a bunch of fun, but we'll start off easy and then we'll build up to it. I'm running a 3S pack, of course, so let's get started bashing. We're gonna get a launch. You guys ready? Get set. Go. Oh, here we go. Oh. Yeah, the Slash 4x4 is not the most graceful machine. She don't fly that great. Especially on big jumps like this. Like, this is huge bike stuff. But I can tell you, she can take a beating, that's for sure. Jeez. She's a ripper. Also, guys, if you're enjoying the Slash 4x4 content, make sure to give this video a like. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the notification bell so then you will be notified when I come out with new videos, because I travel for work. I bring my RC cars wherever I go. So I see a bunch of different places. They're super awesome. Alrighty, guys, here we go again with the Slash 4x4. I keep on wanting to say ultimate. This is not the ultimate. We're going to hit this. Here we go. A little bit of speed on the throttle. Landed it. That was a success. Give that a like. Oh. Can we get out? Come on. There we go. Into the berm. Oh. This thing can take a beating, can't it, guys? I think if I come down right here, I can launch it off of right here and just go up into the grass here. All right, here we go. Ooh, did not have the wheel speed to lift the front end back up. She just nosedive, looked like the body broke through maybe. Yep, this was already broken through though. We've had issues with the body breaking through on this body. I'll get it patched back up and then we'll keep on moving. Alrighty, got the body back on. I think, oh no. What the heck? You gotta be joking. The plastic drive shaft I just put on broke, guys. Right. This will probably come off this whole, oh no, the pin's still holding it in. The pin is still on that. That's the only thing holding this wheel on. See, I should have found another grub screw and put the steel one back on, because at least that wouldn't have happened. It literally twisted the plastic shaft. Crap. I'm a little bummed out. I wanted to get the big jump off of that one for you guys. That torque, this thing has a lot of torque, especially with that Surpass hobby motor. All that torque twisted that rear drive shaft right at the stub axle. And these are the heavy duty ones too. These are the newer version, which I have them on my drag slash. I have them cut down, but I have the same drive shafts on my drag slash. Haven't had any issues yet. But the drag slash spins. This probably did it on that landing. On one of those landings, you know, I probably had the power down still, but you know what? Not too bad. If that's the only breakage we have, yeah, she can't even make it through the grass. Part of me wants to build up enough speed where I can still hit this ramp for you guys, but I don't know if that's going to be a possibility. I mean, I could try it, but I don't even think I can get up to the, yeah, I can't even get up to the top right there. That's kind of sorry. Let's see. Here we go. We'll attempt it. That was kind of lame. All right, let's bring her down again. I'll use a hill for momentum. Oh, we're still able to get some air, so I was still able to hit it for you guys, but not as much speed as I would have liked. But I do have to say, the Slash 4x4 is a very durable machine. If you're thinking about buying one, I would highly recommend it, especially for a first RC. If you want a hobby grade brushless machine, this thing has a lot of power. It's pretty darn reliable, and I really like it. But if you did enjoy the little bit of ripping I got with the Slash 4x4, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. This will probably be the end of this video because I have to get moving to head home. But if you did enjoy it, make sure to show your support by giving it that thumbs up. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Hopefully I'll be out here again. Later.